Hello everybody. Hello everyone. I'm Safi. And I'm 6. And I'm Sara and I'm 4.
So, let's see what's in this box.
My favourite one. My favourite one.
Okay. Right. Can anyone tell me what that is?
These are strings.
Okay.
Rubber string. We make things with this.
Okay. So this is actually called the 3D printing pen, where you can make 3D models of different things.
3D printing pen.
Okay. So let's see what's inside.
Hey!
So that is the pen. Okay. And inside there is all the equipment that comes with it. Okay. So Daddy's going to put some of this through there.
Through there?
Yeah. And then you've got to. It's going inside now. And then what happens is it will warm up.
It's going through.
Yeah, it's going through there.
I see it moving. Wow. I see it moving.
Yeah. Right. Okay. So that's set up now. Right, so now what we do now, look, is we press this button and you can draw on there like this.
Yep, I know what we do.
Okay. So what do you want to draw? Did you say, Sarah?
Pizza.
Come on then, let's do a pizza then. So you've got to press that button on the side. Keep going. Right, hang on, you got it. Right, so the pizza will be like this. Look.
You need to do it slow.
Yeah, you need to do it slow. Okay, that's the pizza. We can take the tip off. No problem. It will be hot.
I'm going to make something with different colours. I'm going to make something with pink and rainbow colours.
Okay, well, that's going to take a long time because... Okay, here we go. You hold the pen and I'll help you, okay?
That looks good.
You enjoying it, Sarah?
Yeah.
Is it fun?
Yeah.
What's you going to...
Wait to take it off.
You can't wait to take it off. You're going to eat it.
Yeah. First I'm going to see how it tastes.
Okay.
See? Maybe we should put tomato and lettuce in it. Done?
So that's
now
it.
Pepperoni.
You want a pepperoni, don't you? What colour do you want pepperoni for? Red, is it?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, come on, Sarah. Put some red pepperoni on it. Grab the pen. Go and hold it there.
Circle.
Do some circles,
Can you
isn't
do it? Where's the circle? Dad, you didn't let me hold it. Now it's gone cold. That looks good.
Okay. So there's red pepperoni on there. What's going to be next then?
You trust.
Okay, let's change it.
We need
We
brown.
change it again now?
Yeah.
Good. Right. We're going to put it across the edges now, aren't we?
Look at all this stuff I made. No. I can make it. You trust this is over here.
Yeah, I'm doing it over the edge.
I want this pepperoni. No, only on that edge. The pizza is right there.
Oh yeah, sorry. You're right.
Top.
There, that's the top bit there.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, do you want to grab it? Grab it with me. Okay.
What's a cool pizza you made? I'm making my own little cavita. And maybe the cavita could eat the pizza. Yeah, that's why you wanted it. I'm making a cavita. It's not gonna be Hello Kitty. That looks good.
Okay. So your pizza is done, Sarah. Let it cool down a minute. Let it cool down.
Take it off so
Okay, go on. Pressed it twice, didn't you? Twist it off.
it's a bit heavy.
Okay, we can snip that off. That's no problem.
That's good.
Okay, what bit's next now?
Now the legs. I'm going to glue them together later. That's the bum. Can you help me?
Okay, what do you want to do? Hold it there.
Yeah, you just copy me.
Turn it on there. Okay, so there's feet, are they? Alright, what's next then?
We colour them both in. So how about we do the head now?
Move the head, do you?
Yeah, can you also help me? It's heavy.
Okay.
It's heavy.
I got it, come.
That could be the head.
You sure?
I'm not sure how to colour the bird. Can you colour the bird?
Yeah.
I don't know how. Bigger.
Yeah? Some ears up here?
Can I do ears?
Yeah, go on.
You hold on top. It's heavy. No, here.
Okay.
Silly. Here.
Okay. So, now, what are we going to do now then?
Colour that in, and then can we make the back of the head? I want to try colouring it.
You want to go? Just got to do it gently.
Okay.
You take your time.
Can I try?
Yeah. Go on. Okay.
I'm not letting me move. Does this look good?
Yeah, it's very good.
Let's work on this side.
We'll do the edges first before we go in the middle, Safi.
Oh, you're not letting me move.
Well, I'm trying to hold it for you as well.
Dad, can you do the rest now?
Okay. Right, let's see.
It looked like a nice head. I think the head's nearly done. I think it's finished now.
Okay.
Now we need to do the body. This can...
Do you want to bother the ears? Do you want to fill the ears?
Wait, let me do that. You have to hold on to the top, but you have to follow how I do.
Yeah, I'm trying to. You've got to keep the pen as close to the other colours as you can. Oh, pink is going to run out as well, Safi.
That's enough for this one.
Okay. Is that on the other one?
You do the rest.
Okay, okay.
Can I snap this bit off?
Yeah, we will in a minute. Okay. Go on.
You hold on the top right here.
Right, let me show you.
Do
okay,
it and
right.
I control.
Okay, go on. Move your thing out of the way because it will get too hot otherwise.
It's gonna run out, isn't it?
Probably, we'll see.
Is it gonna run out before you do the arms and legs?
No, I don't think so.
But we need to make the body a bit fat. But not that.
Okay. Okay.
Wait, stop.
What's wrong?
I don't want it to be too fat. Too fat.
You don't want it to be too fat, do you?
I want to do it.
Alright, go on.
I control and you.
Have your head up the way, sweetheart.
Wait, stop it.
Yeah, what's wrong?
Can you move that?
Right, I can put that down. Hang on a minute.
I don't want to put the white patch.
You don't want to put a white patch on the belly, no?
I think that's enough. Stop.
Okay, that's enough for the belly? Yeah? Okay. Alright, what's the next job then? Putting the feet on, is it?
And
Okay.
then you hold for me at the top.
Okay.
Like that. The thing
Alright, okay. Go and do it
without squirrels.
without squirrelies, okay?
I could.
We can cut the squirrelies off anyway.
Okay. It doesn't matter about the squirrels. We could just colour the feeties in.
Okay? Right, so,
Does that?
you want to colour that one in?
Yeah, this one is a bit tinier than the others. It's so boring. Wait, can I cut that off?
Cut one off. Yeah? That's the smallest one is. Right, that's one foot, Safi. Can you give me the other foot and I'll do the other foot now?
Foot. Okay, maybe this could actually be arms.
It's up to you.
Yeah. And then we'll make feetie. Wait, Dad, I know what to do with your arm.
You haven't done them yet. They're on there. They're still on there, Safi. Here they are. Go on, colour the feet in now.
Wait, you help me. It's not as
Okay.
you help me. It's not as big as before.
Right, okay. Let's see now.
Those, the feet and arms are not big as that, or the head. Or
No, I know. It's a bit trickier, isn't it? Okay.
I think this can be something. Now
Put that off,
we're
let's put that off there. Okay. Right, you want to stick the arms on now? Should we stick the arms on, Sophie? Should we stick it on the top or the back? You want to stick it on the top or the back?
Here.
Just right by there, is it? Wait, watch your head. Move your head up the way a minute. Okay, now where's the other arm? Right, just give me that a minute. Oh, sorry, sweetheart. It's okay.
Aye. Done, 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 done. Did you make it too soft?
No, it's perfect. Look, see, they're on the same size. Okay. Right, now what's next?
Aye.
Okay, so we need to change
I want big eyes,
we need to change the colour now. We can make the eyes separately and then add them onto there, okay? Okay, so you want to draw a mouth like that, do you? Okay.
I'm good at drawing them. Ugh.
It's tricky, isn't it? And it's got to be the same size as this mouth, look. It's tiny.
Yes, that looks like the right amount.
Yeah?
But we just need to cut out that line.
Give me scissors.
Don't.
So you want to put that on there? Yeah?
When you watch your iPad, you're allowed to. When people are working.
That's okay.
So what? Well, who's going to do it then, Sarah? Who's going to do it? Huh? Is someone else going to do my editing for me?
Bye everyone. Bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.